can see this is a industrial park. Many factories located in this industrial park. What you are watching are many CNC machines, which we will export it to our clients very soon. You know, this is a CNC industry, not only our factory, but also many other plants to make different products. This is our workshop. And our fiber laser cutting machines, single table, very big one. This one up to 10 meters, 2.5 meters width. This one and this one ready for delivery. Enclosed cover with dual table. And also this one is 4 meters by 2 meters width. And this one, this is a metal plate and tube cutting integrated fiber laser cutting machine. Not only can cut panel, but also can cut tube. Powerful function. You know, at first floor we mainly make the heavy fiber laser cutting machine like this. 6 meters length, 2.5 meters width, with dual tables extended. You know, the total length of this machine up to 15 meters. So it's very big. The fiber laser source installed for this one can be from 6 kilowatt to 30 kilowatt, or no problem. And this one, you know, is pretty long. I think you can't guess how long it is. 30 meters and 3 meters width. Fiber laser source installed with 30 kilowatt, cutting thickness up to 100 millimeter for carbon steel. Many bed frames ready for production. Now let me introduce the third floor. It's our another workshop. As you can see, your name, your company name, and the time. The third floor we mainly make for small machines, like this one and this one, 3 meters by 1.5 meters. All these bed frame are same model. Over there, I think you remember the testing videos I ever sent. It says DW3050 model. Installed the fiber laser source as 3 kilowatt. ready for shipping for our Egypt dealer. Now we are waiting for the rest payment. Here mainly make the small very small machine like the laser welding machine. All these machines, some finished and some unfinished, ready under construction. And over there is wire feeder. These are the control cabinets and aluminum casting gantry for the fiber laser cutting machine. And over there, fiber laser source and the water chiller. Okay, let me show you the other parts, like the metal covers, the guide rails, the racks, metal covers to cover the bed frame. Guide rails, you can see guide rails and the racks. Over there in the circle and in the corner are the servo motors and the planetary reducers. They will be put here. So, if you are interested in these fiber laser machines, you know, we have stocked, and delivery time will be within 10 days after deposit. If someday you want a fiber laser machine from us, I think it will be very fast. Okay, that's all. That's our factory. I hope you like it. Not very big, but I think it's a little pretty organized. By the way, this is me showing. Thank you.